everyone, this is Rudraksha Tanvi from RCSIS Southwest District Region 4. Today we are going to conduct a social experiment regarding the most highlighted topic, the surgical strike. Do you think surgical strikes should be conducted and should those be told to the public that is surgical strike? Basically, what is surgical strike? Surgical strike has been derived from a word, surgery. So what do we do actually in surgery is, like, for example, if we got a tumor in our brain, we particularly do the surgery and remove the tumor, remove the waste part. So surgical strike is the thing, like Pakistani army, not army, the terrorist people are trying to attack us. So to destroy their points, their basement camps, everything. So basically surgical strike should be a confidential thing, confidentiality should be maintained. Why?
It will help to other countries.
How will it help?
Like if someone not know about that, so he can know about that.
I think for now it was all right because see, you need to go bit by bit by bit. If you just go one day, it might create problems for the future. And then, but then again, now we have given them a warning, so they will be more alerted. Right?
What do you believe in, peace or war?
Say that for peace, sometimes we have to do war also.
But war, okay. Do you believe in peace or do you believe in war?
I believe in peace, but not at the cost of self-respect.
See, peace did not really get some good. Yeah, Gandhiji wanted peace, but then again, so many people died. If there was the Indian National Army, people would die, but we would get freedom faster.
Yeah.
So I would go on for it.
Okay, so what do you think, what should India do to, completely secure Kashmir from it? Kashmir will not get secured because Pakistan is damnly striving to get Kashmir. So the thing is, we just have to set military camps over there. There's no precaution to be.
Maybe government taking some initiative to young generation to divert that kind of guns and all.
Ammunitions, arms and ammunition.
Yeah.
But what do you think, what should happen?
I think more 60 will go like They should destroy them. That is the only way out. And that will bring the peace. Otherwise,
Thank you so much.
In Kashmir, ask the Kashmiris who they want.
Okay.
So once, you can't have a referendum until and unless the state is out of all control. So for maybe a month, India takes out control, Pakistan takes out control, and they ask the Kashmiri Pandits, they ask the Kashmiris, what do you want? You want India, you want Pakistan? And
Do you think it will work?
it would, because if you ask a normal Kashmiri person who is not in Kashmir, who is free, who does not have a biased mindset, he'll say that they would never want a Pakistan-occupied Kashmir because there's a lot of repression and a lot of problems.
They would choose India.
They would choose India.
Okay, thank you.